Alright, calm down.
Alright, this is my friend Fred's bike check. It's called CC1 2011. Start with front. Sunvilla rims with Kenda cell block tires. Colt forks. Colt integrated headset. Colt mind control stem. Colt bars. Colt D-Heart grips.
Amazing.
It's a Colt OS frame. Colt stock cranks. Odyssey. PC twisted pedals. Shadow penumbra, however you pronounce it. Pivotal seat. Shadow seat post. Moving on to the back, it's another Sunvilla rim with another Kenda cell block tire, and a Colt chain, and a Colt sprocket. So yeah, that's pretty much that bike. And then my bike, it's a 2010 Sabrosa Armada frame. So at the front, it's got a Odyssey Aiken P-Lite tire with Alienation Black Sheep rim, Haro sealed hub, Odyssey Classic dirt fork, S&M Redneck stem, XLT, Sabrosa bars, Sabrosa Zombie Land pivotal seat, profile, BMX crank, Eastern pedals, Sputnik Rewind cassette, and
spray painted all himself.
Shut the fuck up.
Right.
Mosh, pinwheel, chain wheel, and belt chain. So that's pretty much it.